Song number 27, Playing It Right. In this piece, you start off with playing open D string, which is the string, followed by an F sharp using your second finger. So it's placed right here on my second tape. This is my first tape right here, which is the E note on the D string, followed by F sharp. And you can see my fingers are far apart. My first finger and second finger are far apart. There is space in between. And then you have to make sure that you're going to cross your bow after you play the open D. Let's just practice playing that. Open D to open A. Here we go. Open D. Stop your bow. Cross over. Lower your elbow. Cross over to A string. Beautiful. Let's try that again. Open D. Lower your elbow. There you go. All right, now let's practice Playing It Right, song number 27. First thing I'm going to do is get myself in the playing position. Right here. Make sure, first step is to get your thumb in the right position. Thumb is placed on the side of the fingerboard or at the neck, right here, across from the first tape. Make sure you have a hole. Your fingers are just gently hovering over. This is my E, first finger, this is my F sharp. But I'm gonna just lift all my fingers when I need to play the D string as well as the A string. My bow hold is ready. Place the bow on the open D string. Here we go. After 4 beats, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open D. Second finger F sharp. Open D. Second finger F sharp. Open D. Rest, A string. Rest, A string. 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Now back to F sharp, second finger. Rest. Let's try that again. Again, make sure when you're playing the open D to the open A string in bar number 2, you are going to cross your bow. You're crossing strings, not crossing your bow. You're using your bow to cross your open strings. Here we go. One more time. Number 27, Playing It Right. I have my thumb placed right here across my first tape, space underneath, and my finger is lightly hovering over. And I'm going to play my open D first. 1, 2, 3, 4. F sharp, second finger. Open D, lift your finger. F sharp. Open D again. Rest, cross to A. Rest. Second finger F sharp. Rest. Then put your violin down.